9428 Amber Valley. Need a landscape cleanup, remove the satellite dish, possibly power wash the driveway, as the property manager's call. It's not unusually dirty or anything, but in this neighborhood it might be nice. So we have bluish gray walls. Okay, I know this floor plan very well. Tile flooring. We do have another property on this street. Really beautiful counters, space saver microwave, gooseneck, even though it's not an undermount. Cabinets look like they were done pretty well. They did not paint the hinges, which is good, and we have updated cabinet pulls. They continued the cabinets and counters through to this powder room. I think the fireplace looks great. Tile, looks like it's done well. We need 3 blinds in this room. The verticals, as of now, are in good condition. They look pretty new. Okay, so I guess it's a little bit of a tripping hazard. I think this is laminate. We really want tile in a laundry room. Looks like we have gas and a 3-prong plug. They did paint the cabinets in here. That's nice. Okay, so I think that was 5. That is one very wide window, but 6. 7 blinds, carpet looks new. Paint's a little bluer than we would generally like, and then you have little areas like this. Need to change out the thermostat with a normal non-Nevada Energy thermostat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windows so far. Carpet looks good. This is nice tile. Not the best grouting job though. The property manager and the handyman need to take a look at it, but in the past I've seen us go over the grouting and patch over it basically, which is not difficult to do if it's possible. So we need to probably add a shower rod here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're at 11 blinds. Cabinets and counters match downstairs, upgraded light fixture. We do have a towel rod. Toilet looks fairly new. The handle looks older, but toilet itself looks new. I'm going to mention that I think these dated almond stand out, but if we're talking about all the outlets and the light switches, that's pretty expensive to change. So if we can leave it, that would save money. We have a blind in here. This is a nice large room. This is a large room as well. Carpet looks good. Nice tile. Need a shower rod. Okay,